clippers. Jeezy.
What?
Jeezy.
What?
Yeah, you got my clippers.
No, I don't.
You got my clippers. It's right there.
Where?
It's right there.
Oh.
It is right there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Dang.
Hand them over.
I didn't even know I had these.
Hand them over to me.
Alright.
Thank you. Okay. I get to cut my hair for crying out loud. Next time, get your own clippers. Stop using all my stuff.
I mean, I forgot I left them here, man.
Jeezy, again?
What?
Come on, man.
What did I do?
Another clipper. I need my liners. I don't
have your liners.
You got them. It's right behind you. You got them too.
What the heck?
Can I have them? Can I have them?
What the heck?
They're right there.
I know where they at. It's right here. I know I have it in my hand. Here.
Thank you. All right. I need these to line myself up. These is actually clean though. I ain't even gonna check. Do you got my alcohol?
I don't got your alcohol. It's right behind you. It is right behind you. Right there.
Right.
It's right there. See?
Just saying. All right.
Dang, you planting stuff on me?
Start the video. Alright, so now I'm gonna start cutting off his hair. I didn't really prep the hair at all, just because I was cutting it all off. Also, I did the client consultation, so my client told me he wanted it all off. To the people that's gonna say, oh, he's cutting off his beautiful curls. Listen, I have to give what the client asks for. He's done with the hair, and he wants to cut it all off, wants a new look. So right now, I got the 4 guard on, and I'm just going against the grain. So as you guys can see, the hair is just going every direction other than the direction that I wanted to go in. So right now I'm going to saturate my client's hair with water and try to train it in the direction by blow drying it using my styling comb. Now that I have everything going in that direction that I wanted to go in, it's time to do the taper. I'm going to start off by using my Endis T outliners, and I'm going to put in my bald line. So using my Babyliss Gold FX with the lever open, I'm gonna set in my next guideline about a 1/2 inch. Now, when I set this guideline in, I'm gonna set it in a curve-like shape, but I'm going to go up more in the middle than towards his lineup area. I'm gonna try to leave that area as dark as I can. Next, using the 1 guard open, I'm using my comb feeding that hair into the teeth of the blade, going up about a 1/2 inch, still trying to keep that area where the hairline is as dark as possible. With the 2 guard open, I'm just gonna scoop out, hoping that it blends right in to the bulk on the top. So dropping back down to my 1 guard, I'm gonna clean up that area between the 1 and the 2. Using the 0 guard close in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Keep in mind that you want to use your corners as much as possible. So depending on what type of texture you're dealing with, that 0 guard close may not take out that middle line like you want. So right now I got the lever open and I'm just kind of flicking at those dark spots that I need to take out. Now with the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Also, use your corners as much as possible. Do not use that full blade. Now as far as the back goes, I use the same exact steps. The only difference is that if the neck is long, I'll widen my guideline about 1 inch, and if the neck is short, if he has a short neck, I shorten my guidelines. is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you like the beat, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother. He does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. If you want to know where you could get any tools that you've seen in this video, make sure you check out the links in the description below as well. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Chip.